First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me a golden opportunity. That really phone is not necessary for a student's life, because if you use phone, you think that you are using phone, but it's a reality that phone uses you. Because look here, a lot of students is such 95% students have phone, and what they think that they are using phone, but it's not reality. Phone uses them. That's why if you want to get success in your life, then firstly you have to avoid phone, because 5% people, 5% students, they have no phone. And you look, means 5%, approx 5 to 6% students, they achieve their dreams. Why? Only because of, means if you use phone, then means distraction comes, and when you will, and radiation releases also, and through radiation it impacts our mind and health also. Because if your health will be not good, then how can you get success in your life? There is no any type of, there is no mean by of study. We should avoid phone. That's why, because if you use phone, then means suppose some of the students, they are talking that if you have phone, then you can get class like YouTube, any type of platform. That look, if you while running classes, notification comes and you divert to another platform, then what happen? Do you think that this one is a is mobile is important? No, mobile phone is not important. We should avoid phone. This one is my view, sir.
You speak. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. So, mobile phone is very harmful for a student. When I use mobile phone, that time lots of notification come in your phone, and you distract your goal. And nowadays, I am looking a lot of student use mobile phone and full night. After that, he sleep full day, and after that, his health is totally bad. So mobile phone is very harmful for a student. Okay, you speak.
Thanks, sir, to give me a chance. And this matter is totally justified that phone is very harmful for a student life, because now you are a student, and in coming time you are future of our country, and because of us you can change our country, because for touching the sky you should leave the phone.
You speak, Ruchi.
Thank you, sir, for giving me a golden opportunity for saying something about mobile. According to me, mobile is very harmful for us. Being a student, we cannot not use mobile, because with the help of mobile, we cannot go ahead in our life. So you should avoid mobile phone, because as we know very well that at this time all competition age is going on, and in this age a lots of student they sitting competition examination, and they don't get result because of mobile. So you should avoid mobile. After that you can go ahead in your life.
You have to note the point also in your mind, that how you have to ask the question with him, and you have to also note the point that what you have to ask the question and with whom you have to ask the question. So you have to care on this one also. Go on.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Yeah, as we know how much phone is important for our life, because we know very well it's a digital age, and in this digital age, if we don't know about phone, how to operate phone, then how can we survive our life? And as my brother who have explained, phone is just like a mini computer, which we can take in our pocket also, and we can get and we can go somewhere else. And we know how much phone is important, because we are a student, and in this age, if we are getting education, and while getting education we want to know about some of the questions, then sudden with the help of phone we can know about that. And mobile phone nowadays give us opportunity to do something better, to do something different. As we know, a lot of YouTubers are available. They are earning handsome money. If we compare with a job with our employee, then they are earning more than them. A lot of YouTubers are available. They are successful in their areas. And for a student, if they want to get success, then phone is needed for them. As I explained, for knowing about something, for taking online classes, if a student who have lack of money and he want to prepare for some of the examination, that for preparing that examination, a lot of money is needed for them. Then how can they get that money? But with the help of online classes, they can pay few of the rupees, and with the help of that few rupees, they can buy a online class, and with the help of that class, they can get education and they can become success. It's my view about mobile phone.
You speak.
Phone is most important for a student life. As we know that means girls, especially girls, parents does not allow to go out of their village that for getting education. Here phone is most important for especially girls. Second is that means if we want to do something for our life, for our future, then mobile will help you to miss going somewhere else. As AI, if you want to open if you want to study about a book, then you should go on AI, you should find out which book is best for this competition. Then they will provide you list, according to that one you should choose and you should study. And phone is becoming a part of education tools. As we know, in tools, pen, copy, pen, notebook, pencil, as like come in that, phone is also including, and it's becoming a big tools of education. It's my view.
You speak.
Mobile is very important for our life. Mobile is an electronic device. Suppose that if you have mobile, then you think I have everything, because suppose that if you want to study higher, if you want to correct higher examination, then we are living here in Motihari. But if you have here you can't correct higher examination, because here no one teach higher for cracking higher examination. But if you have mobile, then you can prepare higher examination. This is the important for our life. Also you are learning this language, but if you have, suppose that if you have no knowledge or sentence and words, that time you translate on mobile, any app. So mobile is very important.
You speak. Speak.
Really mobile is very important for us, for a student, because we all know that means with the help of ChatGPT, with the help of Google app, we can learn this language so easily. That's why I can say that means mobile is very important for a student, because we all know that with the help of mobile you can we can talk easily someone. That's why I can say that means mobile is very important for us.